Hi, Chris here, licensed technician at Midland Honda. Let's check out this 2022 Civic, stock number 24369A. I'm going to start with a walk around of the Civic on the hoist. We'll have a good look at the tires and the brakes. Front tires here, sitting just under 8/32 of an inch. That's about 75% tread life left. And the rear tires, a bit lower at 7/32. That's about 70% tread life left. Around the other side, I've got the wheels off so we can have a look at the brakes. Rear brakes here are sitting about 80% life left. We've just serviced them. We've also serviced the front brakes, which are also sitting at about 80% life left. We've got the Civic all the way up in the air now, so we can have a good look underneath. I've checked over the rear suspension. Shock springs and all bushings are in good condition. Coming up towards the front, check over the exhaust, make sure there's no leaks and no damage to the underbody. And I've also checked the front suspension, tie rod, ball joints, and bushings are all good up here as well. Under the hood, we've just changed the engine oil and filter, as well as flushing the transmission fluid. And this Civic is just passed the provincial safety inspection, as well as the 100-point Honda certified pre-owned inspection. Once again, I'm Chris. I'd like to thank you for checking out this Civic with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Midland Honda or stop in for a test drive. Have a great day.